Hi there, this is Ralph, and in this video I want to go over a few different web page layouts in anticipation of making our own web page layout, specifically 3-column layouts. So what I'm doing first here is I'm just checking out a couple web pages. I'm over here at apple.com, in particular their iPod region, and they've got a basic 3-column layout here. Sometimes they're tough to notice at first, but it's an extremely common layout. So of course we do have the navigation bar across the top. We've got another navigation bar across the top right below the main navigation. And then we have a little bit more traditional looking 3-column layout. Over here where the iPods and the shoe are, the Nike ad, a large ad in the middle, and then we got the iTunes ad over here on the far right side. So basic 3-column layout, and this middle column, even though it has this little section down here. And then we can see what really amounts to a large footer section. Okay. Now let's check out another site. Here's Amazon.com, and another basic 3-column layout. Along the far left, they've got their navigation menu, their main column in the middle. They have a large advertisement with some featured products, and over on the right they've got some more featured products and looks like with insight advertising and stuff like that. Here's The Onion, satirical news, and navigation across the top. They've got a large column on the far left with feature articles, small column in the middle, and a right column with a few changing content. There's Twitter feeds and stuff like that. So couple 3-column layouts. Oh, I've got one more here to check out. How about W3 Schools? Don't be thrown off by the group of 4 in here. Still, look at this as a 3-column layout. They've got their navigation menu for tutorials along the left side. Then they've got this large middle column with some main content and some more details. And they've also got some secondary navigation going down the right side. Okay, so it's a 3-column layout, but this middle column is much wider. Now, I'm using a 1024 wide browser at the moment, and you'll notice that all of these sites fit nicely in there. I don't have any horizontal scrolling at the bottom of my browser window. So the W3C Schools website, notice I've got a little bit of white space on the left and the right there. So they've got their content centered within a wrapper. So since I've got a 1024, they could be using something like a 950 wide resolution. So The Onion, there is no horizontal scroll. It fits perfectly in a 1024 res. Amazon fits nicely in a 1024 res. And Apple fits nicely in a 1024 res. So even though the number of users with a 1024 monitor are declining, a lot of people are getting these bigger resolutions and things like that, most sites still cater to that particular size.